now we're going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, so 27 multiplied by 43. Now I'm going to make an estimate first of all, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to round both numbers to the nearest 10. So the nearest 10 to 27 is 30, and the nearest 10 to 43 is 40. So now I'm going to work out 40 times 30, and I know that 3 times 4 is 12, but 30 times 40 is 10 times bigger and 10 times bigger again, so that's 1,200. So 3 times 4 is 12, and that's 10 times bigger, 10 times bigger again. So now I'm going to partition 27 and 43 into my grid. I'm going to partition 20 and 7 and 40 and 3. So first thing is 20 times 40. 2 times 4 is 8, and again it's 10 times bigger and 10 times bigger again, so that's 800. 20 times 3 is 60. Pop that in there. Then I'm going to go down here to the 7, so 7 times 40. 7 times 4 is 28, so 7 times 40 must be 280. And then finally 7 multiplied by 3. And 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these numbers here and add them up and using a column addition method. So I'm going to start with the larger number first. It makes it easier, so 800. And again, it's really important to make sure you write all the numbers in the correct column. So I've got hundreds, tens and units. The second largest number is 280. Then 60, and finally 21. So then I'm going to use a column addition method to add up those numbers. So 0 add 0 add 0 add 1 is 1. Just remind yourself it's addition. 0 add 8 tens add 6 tens add 2 tens is 16 tens. 16 tens is 160, but we write it like this: 16 tens. So really that's 160, and the 0 goes underneath here. And then 800 add 200 is 1,000, add 100 is 1,100. But we know that 8 add 2 add 1 is 11, so we write 11. So it's 1,100, and the zeros would be under here. So my final answer is 1,161, and I compare that now to my estimates, and it's reasonably close, so I presume it's correct.